Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of excessive attempt lock for Magento 2. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the module configuration settings and the workflow of the module at the front end. But before that, let me tell you what this extension does is that it enables an additional security layer that prevents the hackers from abusing your admin and customer logins by attempting many easy to guess passwords consecutively. So the admin can configure this extension and can set the number of attempts and the disable time for both the admin himself and the customers. An unlock timer is also displayed on the login page. So let's get ahead and let's see how this extension can be configured in the admin backend, and after that I'll show you how it works at the front end. So I'll be going to the backend first. So here I am at the Magento 2 web store backend and I'll be logging in first. And after logging in to configure the module settings, before configuring the module settings, you just need to properly install this extension first. And after that, you can navigate through stores, configuration. And on the configuration page, under the webcool block, you need to navigate to excessive attempt lock menu option here that you see. Just click that up, and this brings up the settings for the excessive attempt lock module itself. And here we have three settings, so three sections to configure the module settings. So let's go through each of these settings one by one. So the very first setting that we have is the enabled option. So if you have selected this option as yes, then the excessive attempt lock module would be activated, and if you have selected this option as no, then this module would be disabled for use at the web store front end. After that, we have admin login settings and customer login settings. Now under the admin login settings, we have login attempts. So here you have to enter a numeric number, and it denotes how many times a user can try a login. So for the admin login settings, if we have set the login attempts as 3, then after trying 3 times, the login would be disabled, and the disable time can be set under the disable login time in minutes. You can also set it a numeric value for this as well. So after 3 unsuccessful attempts, the login for the admin would be disabled for 1 minute. So that was about the admin login settings. Similarly, we have the customer login settings, wherein we need to set up the login attempts, how many times the user can try to log in without a correct password, and the disable login time in minutes, for how long the login would be disabled. So it would be in minutes. So both of these are also the numeric values here. So we have also set the login attempts for the admin and the customer are same, and the disable time is also same for both of them. So after 3 unsuccessful login attempts, both of the logins would be disabled for a minute. So let me take you ahead and let me show you how this extension works at the front end. So after you have done all the configuration here, you just need to save the configuration settings. And now let me take you to the front end and let me show you how this extension actually works. So what I'll do is I'll just log out of the admin backend panel. So what I'll be doing is I'll try to log into this admin account, because we have set the what we say as we have set the login attempt, unsuccessful login attempts as 3. So after 3 unsuccessful login attempts, the login would be disabled for a minute, as we have set it up for both the customer and the admin. So let's try it on the admin end first. So I'll just try and input some password here. So that was one time. Now I'll again put some password there. This was the second time, and now let's try it once more time. So that is the 3 times we have done it. Alright, now you can see that we are blocked for a minute now, and the countdown timer is already started. So it depends upon how what the time frame you have set for the login unlock. in the admin backend. So only after that we'll be able to again try to log in to the admin account once again. So after the minutes are expired, only then you can try and log in once again. So that was for the admin end, and let the countdown timer complete. Until then, let me take you to the customer end and let me show you 3 unsuccessful attempts here as well, and how the login is disabled thereafter for the set interval time. That was once. This is the second time I'm trying to log in. Now this is the third time, and here you can see that we are now blocked for a minute, as we have set the setting for a minute, and here the timer has completed and we are able to log in. So if I type the correct password and hit the sign in button, I'll be able to log in. And similarly, here you can see that on the customer end as well, the time frame that we had set for the login to get reactivated, it's for like the counter is still ticking down, and after this countdown timer expires, we'll be able to log in again, so but with a correct password. So that was much about the excessive attempt lock for Magento 2 extension. And if you have any queries or questions regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvidis.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.